Hello guys, so today I'll be explaining you why I took the buy trade in XAUUSD. So gold was trading pretty solid above 4,200 level. So in the morning it tried to break that level, and there was manipulation definitely to grab more liquidity. And once the liquidity was grabbed here, they started to push the price up. Now I was observing what kind of structure they are making here. So when I noticed that there was a head and shoulder pattern right over here, and that too above the previous day high. So you can see this green line right over here, it is previous day high. So there was a head and shoulder pattern right here about the previous day high, and as you can see right here there is a pattern drawn. So this pattern was similar to you can see it's similar to that pattern. And as soon as the trend line break happened right over here, I entered in the position, long position, and there was a exit right at this candle. Then I again tried to enter over here, but then there was a SL hit, so no problem, I took the SL. And then when I was waiting for a strong pin bar or a bullish engulfing candle where I can enter, then finally I got a moment right over here where there was a bullish engulfing candle and a pin, wick closing a strong pin bar. So there was this bullish engulfing breaking this pin bar upwards, and it was a bullish engulfing plus a pin bar as well. So if you notice this candle carefully, it was a bullish engulfing with the pin bar, which is a very strong bullish sign. I tried to enter in this trade, and the market had come down to grab more liquidity, and then there was a bullish engulfing where it broke over here. So there's a chance I'm taking this trade right till 1:3, 3.5 risk to reward. So there was a chance of it going till 4263 easily. So I hope you understood the setup. Now the logic behind the setup was that gold is being very bullish, and head and shoulder pattern had met a strong support right here. So if one wants to enter, they could have entered right here as well, placing your stop over here, and you could have aimed for a 1:6 risk to reward also, not a problem. In fact, you can go much higher if you you can trail it to 1:10. But anyways, I have entered right here, which is not a bad entry for me, but I will be closing my position of 1:5. If I get that would be great. If I get 1:2, and then if you are taken, if you have taken a bigger order, you can close 50. You can trail the 50% position to 4287 as well, not a problem. So yeah, so I'm just holding this trade and let's see how it goes. Mostly I'm expecting a sharp move after the breaking of this this wick right here. So so that's what it's going. And it's US session, so the movement is high. I mean the volume is high, and it won't take much time, like where the volume is high and the movement will be faster in the upwards direction or towards the buy side. So liquidity is already grabbed, so what's remaining is just pushing on the SLs. So if people who had shorted gold right here by putting their SL is now, they're taking down the SL, and yes, they will be, the people who have shorted gold here, they all will they liquidate. They'll try to liquidate them. It's not a problem. We'll be holding this trade. Okay. Switching to 15-minute time frame, I can see that there's a bullish engulfing. So I'm expecting a 3 candle push right from here, which will enclose this graph, which will have a target of 4265, an easy target. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the trade. I hope you like the setup. I will be coming tomorrow with another setup if I find any, and there will be also a live trading. Please join my live session for live signals in the VIP group, and I mostly post most of my trades in VIP group during US and London session, so make sure you are there. In the live session you will get a lot of guidance by staying with me on trades, like what's happening right here. We are into this trade, so in the live session you actually get to know why I'm taking the trade. So it's important to be in the live session as well. I hope if you have missed any live session, you can anyways watch all the recordings, all the chart patterns which I just cover in my recording session, and also in the videos, in the YouTube videos. So the live session link I post on my Telegram channel, so you can join it whenever you feel like, when you are off work, because most of the people, I like to go live during the 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. 6 p.m. 7 p.m. time, because most of the people are out of most of people get free at that time. So so as you can see, this trade is going pretty solid. Yeah, we are up $7. Nice trade, man. Nice trade. So we got to see one candle. I'm expecting another candle, one more candle as well in this direction, and then we can close the trade. Okay. So after this candle closes, since there is a break of the spin bar, one more candle will come to liquidate the sellers, and then you can close the order. Okay. So I hope you got the logic of this trade. There was one more trade which I took. It was a short position. It was 1:6 risk to reward trade, and the reason for holding that trade was gold was showing a double top pattern at above a key level. So this was a key level, and gold was showing a double top pattern right here. And whenever there is a move upside where gold shows a double top pattern, it usually falls like crazy from that point. Okay, so yeah, so I like shorting the double top pattern when the gold is giving a great upside move, and then there's a because you get a trade of higher risk to reward. The fall is extreme from that time. So since there was a key level, I shorted it. I took my pin bar as the SL, and I took a target of 1:6. So my target was actually 200 moving. I had set my TP somewhere over here, although my TP got executed at a higher level, at a lower level, which gave me more profits, which is great. Let's see. This is the thing about about trading, that you get the moves. The moves are not just in one go. Like, you don't get it in one go. You get it like it takes time. It takes time to come. Although I'm holding this. I don't want to close all the trades in 1:1 risk to reward. I'll hold this. I'll hold this for 1:3 at least. Okay, guys. So let's get this going.